Hello everyone, here I'm about to show you that my battery is not working. My battery need a jump start. Here we go. That's my bad. So you heard that sound. As you see, if you press this button, it's not working and you can hear the noise. So that means my battery is not good, so I'm about to jump my bike. Connected the wires with my car, and then here is the result. Now I already connected my negative to the battery, and then there you go, the positive is here. So let's check it out. So I turned it off to just show you guys. Let's see if it worked by itself. Nope, because this battery need a charge. So how you guys do it? Connect it with the wire. Get the normal wires. Car, you don't need a special one if your battery is right in front of you. Just do it like this, and then the positive, and just turn on the power. You can just leave that on if your battery is strong enough. My battery is pretty strong, and I did something. I was doing something that made my battery weak and didn't recharge. But right now, you will see my bike is on, and I turned on this bike after a long time. This is my bike right now. And then you can simply disconnect it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and comment down below. Thank you.